Salut à tous, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are clearing up a classic French grammar mystery. How to talk about cities, countries and continents the right way. Is it en? Is it o? O? Or is it a? Let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is that in French, countries have a gender. They are either masculine or feminine. And most of them use an article like le, la, or even les. Please do not forget the article. The countries can be feminine or masculine. Let's have a look and tell me what you see is different. Yes, the E at the end. Countries ending in a E are usually feminine. The others are masculine. Of course, there are some exceptions. For le Mexique, le Cambodge, le Zimbabwe et le Mozambique. First, let's talk about the feminine countries. So, in French, we said countries that end in E are usually feminine. La France, la Chine, l'Italie, l'Espagne. With those countries, we use en. J'habite en France. J'habite en Chine. J'habite en Italie. Je suis en Jamaïque. Je suis en Corée. Je suis en Tunisie. So if the country ends in E, you will use en. And it is the same with the continents. L'Afrique, l'Europe, l'Asie, l'Amérique, l'Océanie are feminine. So you will say je suis en Afrique. Je suis en Asie. J'habite en Europe. Je vais en Afrique. Now let's move on to masculine countries. So they do not end in E. It can be le Brésil, le Japon, le Portugal, le Canada, le Sénégal. With those countries, we use O. J'habite au Brésil. J'habite au Japon. J'habite au Canada. I can also say je suis au Sénégal. Je suis au Portugal. Je vais au Brésil. But be careful. When a masculine country starts with a vowel, like Iran or Iraq, we use en instead of o. That is because it sounds smoother and easier to pronounce in French. J'habite en Iran. Je suis en Irak. J'habite en Angola. It's much nicer than j'habite au Iran. Next, let's talk about countries that are plural. Yes, some countries are made up of multiple islands or states. So in French, they are treated as plural, like the United States, the Philippines, the Bahamas, or the Netherlands. Donc les États-Unis, les Philippines, les Bahamas, les Pays-Bas. For those plural countries, we use au. J'habite aux États-Unis. Je suis aux Philippines. Je vais aux Bahamas. Little tip for pronunciation: when you say O, it's pronounced as like O, smooth and simple. So even though it spells AUX, it's just O. Fun fact, some countries do not have article. Cuba, Chypre, Israel, Haiti. So we use the preposition of place, à. Je suis à Cuba. J'habite à Israël. Je vais à Chypre. But these are exceptions. But did you know that cities also usually do not take any article in French? So they also use the preposition à. Je suis à Paris. Je vais à Tokyo. J'habite à Madrid. So let's recap. In French, most countries have a gender and take an article, le, la or les. The feminine countries, usually ending in I, we are going to use en France, en Italie, en Afrique. The masculine countries, who don't end in I, we are going to use au Canada, au Japon. Exception with masculine countries starting with a vowel. En Iran, en Iraq, en Angola. Plural countries, they take au also. Aux États-Unis, aux Bahamas. Cities do not take an article, so I just use à. À Paris, à Tokyo, à Madrid. And actually, some countries who are exceptions do not use and they don't use article at all are going to do the same. À Cuba, à Haïti, à Chypre. Et voilà. So now you know how to say you live in a country or city like a real French speaker. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. À bientôt!